In this video, let's try to understand what actually is a block deal, who executes this block deal, what is the time frame in which they execute, and what happens to the share price after a block deal is executed, where to see these block deals, and what is the type of people who executes it. So we'll see all this information. First, let's try to understand what actually is a block deal. So block deal is nothing but a minimum quantity of 5 lakh shares should be traded between two parties, or the value of these shares traded should be worth of 5 crore or more than that. So this is a basic condition which we call a block deal is executed. So this is for one transaction. It should happen in a single transaction. So if this criteria matches for a particular share, we call it as a block deal. Next, what is the time frame in which the block deal is executed? Since they are executing nearly 5 crore worth of shares, it shouldn't normally affect the retail traders. Okay, so we'll also see how it doesn't affect the retail trader, though it is happening in the time frame where the retail traders also trading in this time frame. We know that the market is from morning 9 to evening 3:30. This particular block deal window is assigned 35 minutes in the morning trading hours. In the forenoon, before the afternoon, we have 35 minutes assigned for this block deal. So now let us see how it's affect the share. It actually doesn't affect the share price, because this is already agreed between two parties. Let us say we have two mutual fund houses, or two between shares exchange between a foreign institutional investors or domestic institutional investors like LIC or Pension Fund of Canada. So this particular block deal will be assigned between them, and they will exchange the shares in this time frame window, but it really doesn't affect the share price. They just want to change the shares between them. So this is already agreed. Because of that, there is no impact in the share price. So when the impact happens, when it comes to the market depth, and it is affecting the retail price. So only that time we have that particular impact. Here there is no impact. So who are the people who are responsible for executing these block deals? Is super high net worth individuals, people who have ultra wealthy and high net worth people, and mutual fund houses who have like we have Sun Life Insurance and insurance houses and mutual funds, SBI mutual fund, financial institution, companies, banks, venture capitalists. So all these people have extreme wealth, so they try to buy shares, and they wait for some try to make profit by buying these kind of shares, and later they will if you see this particular share price of these companies after a block deal, we will see some shares by opening the NSE website. Then you will know what happened to the block deal after these people have bought or sold those things. So where can I see the block deal as a individual? So you can go to this NSE India website. We'll go there and see some of the block deals that is executed, and when it's executed, what happens to the share after that. So it will be very interesting. Now let's move to the site now. So here I am in Google. Let us type NSE block deal. So once you type this, you will be redirected to this website where you can choose the list, see the list of block deals that is executed. I am zooming out. So here you can choose block deal, and we'll see for the last one day. You can choose first. Let's see for last one day. So it's showing some data. We have the NBI Financials, security name is that. The client who executed this block deal is Century Fiber. So the quantity traded is 75,000, average price is 1,605. So this is the block deal execution. It happened on 13th August, and one people sold and two people actually bought it at different prices. Now let us see what happened to this share, NBIFIN. We will also see some of the other shares as well after what happened to the block deal after it was executed. So here let us see when is the date it executed. 13th August it got executed, and now the date is 18th August. We got executed on 13th Thursday. It's been 3 days after the block deal is executed. 13th August. Today it went down 1.35%, and 13th August you could see the price pumped up from 15652 to nearly after the block deal was executed. On 14th you could see the share price moved to 1640 within a single day, nearly some 15652 to 1640, nearly 100 rupees it pumped up. it was trying to retain more than 1600 and recently it came down. So this is one execution after. We will also see some more cases, so you get clear identification of what has happened in the past. Let us try to see some other data. I am choosing past 7 days. We'll go and see Aarti Surfactant. It executed on 10th August. So after the block deal is executed, you could see it is executed on 10th August. It is continuously logged in the circuit. So this is one case after a block deal is executed. We have two cases which is positive. We'll also see two more cases and whether to conclude whether this is going by this is good or bad. For the past 2 weeks I'm going to choose. So I will choose 1 month and let us see what is the block deal showing. So it's showing a few more block deals. Sequence Scientific Limited. First I'll take that and we'll see the share price of Sequence Scientific Limited. So it was executed on 27th July. Okay, now we are in 18th August. So I'm going to choose more than 1 month. So 27th July, you could see the price was at 112, and after the block deal is executed, it moved to a peak of 141. So this is the range where what happened after the block deal. It's a massive move, aggressive move. We can conclude with that. Next we will see also Trident, and we will also see Trident, though it is a very penny stock. I don't want to go with that. We will always focus on this thing. We'll see one more stock, final stock, and we'll conclude it. So after Trident we have Everyday Industries, which is an Indian company which is executed on 14th July. We will see this also, what happened to the Everyday share price. 14th July, I'm going 1 month back, and which was 14th July, it was around 118. After the block deal is executed, it's moved to massive let us see 14th July where it is. So you see 14th July it is around 89 rupees. After the block deal is executed, reached a maximum of 150 and it started correcting. So we can conclude that after a block deal is executed, there is something happening. Whenever a HNI or mutual fund is exchanging this thing, they are trying to pump up the prices through some other means which we don't know. So you can be sure to some extent, and you can also keep strict stop loss and use this technique to buy shares for short term or immediately take a intraday position the next day with strict stop loss and execute this kind of block deals. So this is what I want to tell. I hope you got it. Now the topic is over. If you want training courses, you can go to our website. You can get these training courses free, which I'm mentioning on our website powerpangu.com. Here you can go to the premium course section. You can get all these things free. If you already have a DEMAT account, you can refer your friends, or else if you don't have an account, you can use the link given in the description of this video and get all these 6 courses free. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can WhatsApp me on this number 807221003. Bye bye. Again, thank you.